Hey, what's up, Polygon Matic holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I present with the latest update of Polygon Matic. What's the current price? What's the price is occurring in the Polygon Matic? And especially, I'm talking about the huge news of Polygon Matic. The huge gains occurs by a Polygon Matic in the start of June. So we talk about this. Keep watching this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button, like this video for more of this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Absolutely, if you subscribe, so you will get all updates, all notification about cryptocurrencies market, and if you don't, so you will get nothing, my friends. Let's start the video, friends, without wasting any time. So the latest update of the Polygon Matic in the market is here. The latest price of the Polygon is 1.54 USD dollar. And on the other side, if we talk about the price change occurring in the Polygon Matic, so my friends, the last 1 hour pricing is positive 0.23%, last 1 day pricing is negative 7.71%, last 1 week pricing is negative 8.85%, my friends. That is the pricing occurring in the Polygon Matic, you can see here, my friends. So now the previous chances occurs in the Polygon Matic is all going wrong, my friends. But the last 1 hour pricing is still going positive, and I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see the last 1 hour pricing is going positive, my friends. That's mean that Polygon Matic start jumping in. When they start jumping, so it's clear that they'll continue this trend for a long time, my friends. You can see here they take a jump. In the previous time they also take a jump, and now the last 1 month pricing of Polygon Matic is positive 105.02%. the price is going positive the 1 month, so you're in the profit. And if you want more profit, so you have to hold, and if you want this profit, so decide to sell and go away from the market. Anyways, I recommend for everyone it's time to hold. If you hold, so maybe there's a lot of chances in the future to the price again move forward and the price rise. So how do you feel today about the Polygon Matic? Tell me in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends.